In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an account on ElevenLabs using a temporary email service, which can be particularly useful if you're aiming to preserve your privacy or want to avoid filling your personal inbox with promotional messages. Let's dive in. First, head over to a temporary email website. This is an online service that generates a disposable email address for you to use temporarily. Once you're on the website, you'll see that it provides you with an email address right there. Go ahead and copy this email address. It's important to have it handy as we'll need it for the next steps. Now that you've got your temp mail address ready, navigate to the ElevenLabs website. Look for the sign up button, usually found on the top right corner of the web page, and click on it. You'll be taken to a sign up form where you'll need to provide an email address and create a password for your account. Here's where you'll paste in the temporary email address you just copied. Enter it into the email field, then choose a strong password to ensure your account is secure. Remember to make a note of this password somewhere safe, as you'll need it to access the service. After filling out your email and password details, hit the sign up button to proceed. Now you'll need to be a bit patient while the page loads and processes your information, but this typically only takes a few moments. Next, switch back to the temp mail website. It's crucial to keep this tab open and refresh it if necessary. As you scroll down, keep an eye out for any incoming notifications in the inbox area. You're looking for an email from ElevenLabs, which should pop up fairly quickly. Once you see it, go ahead and click on the notification. Inside this email, there will be a verification link that says something like verify your email. Click on this link as it's a vital step to activate your account and gain full access to ElevenLabs. This action confirms that you own the email address you provided. After successfully verifying your email, you'll notice a prompt saying continue, which will direct you back to the ElevenLabs site. Now, your email is all set up and verified, meaning you can use it to log in and start exploring what ElevenLabs has to offer. Finally, a quick but essential tip: save your temp email address somewhere safe if you plan to use it again, as some temporary email services might recycle addresses after a certain period. This way, you'll stay connected without compromising your personal details. Thanks for watching, and happy creating!